right, this is day one of recording what I've been doing these days. I've started a new business starting from last month, and just to go back throughout the whole journey of what I've been doing since now. I've done two AI startups before. I founded two AI startups. The first one was during college, and it was a AI chatbot to replace university LMS systems. So that was my first startup. I did that for around 8 months with my other college friends. It didn't work out so well because of the PMF. Like, I couldn't find a proper PMF for university professors, students, and the AI chatbot. So that was my first failure. And the second startup that I did was 2 years ago, which used Gen AI to create short form content for creators. So if you upload a 2-hour podcast, it automatically detects like which parts would go viral and then creates a short form reels by automatically editing it and generating it. So I've been doing that for a couple of months with two other co-founders. But the co-founder fit wasn't so good, so I had to leave the team. And then after that, I started building this community called 10x AI Club. And this is a community that has so far been doing pretty good. I have around 30K subscribers on my YouTube channel. I mainly upload like tutorial content on how to build GPTs apps or other like RAG chatbots using different kinds of LLMs, APIs, etc. And my main target is for non-developers so that they can really understand like what generative AI is and how to integrate that onto their workforce. So I've been doing that for about 1.5 years now. And last year I've been mostly like teaching and doing a lot of workshops for B2B companies who want to make their employees like know better what generative AI is and what kind of tools that they can use. But I'm a builder at heart. I wanted to build a product. So this year I've sort of stopped doing those kind of workshops for companies. And I'm trying to build another startup. So this is gonna be my third time really trying it again. And it's always a long and really hard journey to build a startup from scratch, but I'm really used to what I'm doing right now. And, I always love doing that journey. So that's what I'm doing these days. For the past month, it's only been like around a month and a half that I've been doing this. But basically I'm trying to build a AI agent platform where people can build it by using natural language. So you know how these days Cursor or Lovable, you can all build like a website in 5 minutes by just explaining to the LLM like what kind of apps you want to make. So basically the same concept, I want to apply it onto AI agents so that my subscribers who are mostly non-developers can also build these agents without having to really know about any of the code or the structure that goes into these agents. So that's what I've been trying to build. I've built a very basic MVP right now. I haven't tested it yet for the beta testers, but I've let my friends test it. There's a lot of problems to it, so we're trying to build a better product these days. Let me just show you what I'm going through these days, like what my work process is like right now. So this is my current setup of the office. Technically, it's not my office. I'm borrowing an office space from my friend's office. Really thankful for him for letting me borrowing it. But yeah, I work here usually when I don't have a lot of external meetings during that day, and then I just grind and hustle here. But these days, this is sort of the product that I've been building, but I want to give you a more proper look at it. But yeah, this is basically what I've been building these days. You can build a AI agent by just describing what you want to build and using natural language. So to give you a quick example of what this kind of is, this is like an AI app builder where you can have a conversation with, and then if you, for example, say you want to build a customer support bot, this agent automatically chooses the model, like which model is the best for this kind of agent, and then also generates the prompt for it. And it also connects external tools that this agent would need. So these tools right now are based on the MCP infrastructure. So we built the MCP server and we're sort of integrating these MCP tools onto this platform. So if anyone just describes what kind of agent that they want to build, they go through like hundreds of tools that are integrated in the system, and then it automatically brings it onto here. And then if I click Create AI Assistant, it directs you to this page, Workspace. And this is a very similar UI that you've been seeing if you've used ChatGPT before. So basically, this is the list of all your chatbots. And then here you can have a conversation with it. And then here is where the configuration settings are sort of saved into the platform. So when you are talking with the AI app builder, it saves the configuration settings into here. So you can see that the model, temperature, the system prompt are saved. And then in this section, the tools are saved. So you can either like edit, delete, or add other tools. Right now, there aren't a lot of tools that you can use. So the most basic ones we have right now is Searching Knowledge Base, which is for building a RAG agent where you upload documents and then you can ask questions about it and get answers. And then there's Web Search, which uses a lot of different APIs to just search the web. And then there's also a Generate Report tool where you upload a document and then it automatically generates a report based on the prompt that we have on the system. Yeah, so you can like add these tools and then have a conversation with it. So to give you a quick example, for example, if you like ask the agent to generate a report about like semiconductors CSV files, then it sort of gives you an executive summary, introduction, background, methods, and the analysis. So for example, like this kind of item was, there were a lot of like defects in it. So it explains about that. Other than that, there's also the RAG. And then if you ask it to search the web about Tesla stocks, then it gives you a lot of information based on what the agent went through by searching the web. So that's kind of the things that I'm building right now. And the final step is that you can deploy the chatbot so that other users can also have a conversation with it. This is based on how a lot of people really want to integrate a chatbot onto their website. But for ChatGPT right now, it has difficulties with that because only people who have, bought the pro plan can only talk with it. So I just wanted to make that free for everyone, like anyone can use it. So if you go to this link, then it shows a new chatbot link where anyone can have a conversation with the agent that you just built. So basically, like this is what I'm building right now. There's a lot of things that I do need to really get fixed. For example, like the user flow, there's a lot of issues with that as well. And I know that this isn't a pretty interface or a good product, but we're trying our best. So we'll see how that goes. Other than that, right now our team is consisted of me and another backend developer. And this backend developer, I've worked with him last year when I was doing a lot of GPT workshops. He was my substitute, like sub teacher when we were teaching non-developers how to build RAG chatbots using Python and LLMs. So I've worked with him before. He's very professional and I know the quality of his work, and he was already doing he was already building agents for other companies. So he said that he wanted to integrate his backend code onto my platform. So there was a really good fit there. So he's joined. These days, this week, what I've been doing is trying to gather front-end developers, because right now I'm doing the full stack front-end and also pitching my ideas, like trying to do business development, going to meetings, meeting VCs, etc., like etc. So I have a lot of stuff to do and I can't do it alone. So I wanted a front-end developer who could really help me out with all the UI UX process and sort of update the product, and just do it like hands-on coding. So I've also uploaded I posted a job like offer on my LinkedIn, my YouTube, my Discord channel, and my Kakao Talk chat channel. And very thankfully, a lot of people have applied to it, and I'm really grateful for all the work that they really put into just the application itself. I've read all the cover letters and the reasons why that they've applied for this job, and I'm just really grateful to have this kind of network and also people who just really follow me on YouTube and follow up on what I've been doing during the entire process. I'm just really grateful for everyone who has just like decided to even put in the application, because that means like so much for me. So yeah, this week this is like a very, very, very not good, not organized video. But this week, basically, I've been doing this a lot. But right now, our team realizes that the interface that we've built right now is very general. And, like when it comes to competing with like OpenAI or Claude or Google, there's no way that a startup can really compete with these companies. So for sure, I do know that I have to build this product for a more niche market and a more specific domain. So that's what our team is going to do next week. Today is Friday, so today I'm gonna just like list up all the domains that we could potentially target for this product. And then for the following probably 8 weeks, we're going to try to contact our target customers and potentially get our first customer and do a POC so that we can, really see like how this AI agent platform could help out other people in other domains and customers. So yeah, that's been my crazy 1 month journey. I've been building the MVP. Now we have like 2 more teammates, and I'm really excited about this journey, and I have no idea where it's gonna go. I know I have a very clear mission, which is making AI accessible and available for everyone. And no matter what like product item that's gonna be, that's still gonna be my mission, and I'm gonna try to get that mission accomplished. So yeah, this is, I think, a start of something very new, and I'm very excited about this journey. So I don't know where it's gonna take me, but I'm just gonna like record this process. I don't know, just in case whatever happens. So yeah, that was a recap of the 1 month of the startup that I've started right now. Thanks.